Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm going to be filming the flip through of my fall TN setup, and I am so excited to show you guys what I have in here. I used most of this stuff actually. I didn't think that I was going to use as much as I did. I looked at all spread out and I was like, I think there's like a lot in this kit, but I used most of it. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I didn't use at the end, but there's really not a lot left. But I love this. This might be one of my favorite setups. I just think it looks so cohesive and nice, and there's obviously like lots of sentimental tidbits in here, but let's just go ahead and start talking through it. I didn't do like a actual work through video for this, like a setup video, but maybe I'll do it for one of my next ones. I did really want to pull in a lot of the purple, so I did pull in a purple peach palm and a lot of gold, so I did pull in this Louis ribbon bow that I made. And the gold I kind of wanted to embrace a lot of, because a lot of the TN setups that TN kits that are going to be coming out, the next few ones are going to be a lot of silver because of winter and stuff like that. So this is a B6 Foxy Fix Lush Compact. It has 4 strings. It has white stitching and white elastics, classic, and then it has the little gold fox and pip bow, which is one of my favorite things to put on my Foxy Fix planners. The little charm on the front is from my kit. The kit does come out today, which is Monday at noon Eastern, and that will be on my website. Just make sure you note that it is the only thing that can be purchased in that order. It's like one item. There's lots of information in the description of the product, so that's gonna be up at noon, and I'm so excited. If you guys want to see the whole flip through of the kit, I will link that down below. What you can see from the top here is I do have that bow, which I did make. It's from Louis ribbon. They have gold ribbon. I have a bunch of it. I'm sure if you went in and asked, they might give you some. It's just really pretty ribbon. And then there is a peach palm that's purple. And then on the bottom here, I just kind of attached this to the little I don't know. I think people put these on their inserts, but I thought it would be cool just to put it here because you don't see it out here. But this is a little Studio Signet. Is it Signet or Signet? Somebody let me know. And this is actually from Holly Plans. She gave it to me at the planner party, and I just think it's so cute. I think I actually ordered it, but it's cool. I had 2, and it's gonna be great. And I'll just put 2 A's because I'm all about A's. So let's go ahead and open her up. This is probably seriously, I don't know what it is about this. I just feel like everything came together really nicely. It didn't take me that long either, and I'm just so into it. So let's start over here. So I do have a piece of paper in the back. I like to just grab extra paper that I have that I cut the whole entire all the papers, all 6 of them, down to the size of the dashboards. Is there 6? No, there's 12. Is there 12? Yeah, 12 papers down, so they're already cut, so I just slipped one of those in there. I slipped the sticker sheet in here. I didn't use any of the stickers off of it. I might later, but you know. And then I just have one of the backing cards tucked in here. I just thought it added a little bit extra dimension. This little bow here is from Hobby Lobby. It's like a metal hair bow. It's in the hair kind of section. There's clothes and hair and cheer ribbons and things like that. I put the truck die cut. I thought that kind of demasculinized that, if that makes any sense, by putting it under a giant bow. So I thought that looked cute, kind of a little bit of contrast then. And then I made a little mini washi card out of a piece of acetate, and then just put 3 of the washies on here. I think they look so pretty, and those are just from the washi strip sheet. And then I put a picture of me and Jessica down here. I did use a lot of pictures from the planner party, which I thought really worked out good because of the gold background. But I think for winter setups, if I wanted to use any of these, I would just do them black and white, and then it would look like silver. So I did put that one there just because it didn't fit anywhere else, and I just thought it was really cute. I love this picture of me and Jessica. We're adorable. Then on this side, I wanted to keep the front kind of simple, and I did put a Jasenia, or the Planner Sophisticate, hand lettered Andrea on the front with the bows. And pro tip, if you want to do stuff foiled things but don't want to cut or bring out your silhouette, is just print them on a piece of acetate. And I feel on camera you can see it a lot more, but in person it doesn't really, it's not as crazy. But I just printed all of my stuff on one piece of acetate and then foiled the items, and then just cut them straight, and I feel like it's like totally fine. Do you know what I mean? Like I didn't need to bring out like a silhouette and cut anything. It just looks like it's like laying there. Then I put a little Simply Gilded bow just because I thought it was really pretty in orange, and there are oranges and reds kind of in this kit, so I pulled that in, and then just a little basket of pumpkins. And then for all of the papers, what I did is I like to be like symmetrical, so like each sandwich is the same, so they have the same pattern. And then I liked the glitter in the back of like here. Normally, I don't really decorate the insides if you look at any of my setups. It's just, I usually leave them blank. I feel like you could also flip them if you wanted to get kind of the same look and do the glitter on the outside, and then wanted to add more like journaling cards and stuff. It's a little bit more of a simple pattern, but I just really love the plaids on this. And then inside of each one, I do have an insert. These are mostly, I think they're actually all So Much Crafting inserts, B6 size. And then I do have the little tab with the tab sticker that comes in the kit. If it's not in the kit, I'll let you know. And then there is the foiled acetate, the die cut, and then all these little tiny wide clips are from Co XOXO, and she sells them in packs that look something like this. So she sells them in packs of I think 6, but I love the gold ones. They're so pretty. I've used them in a lot of setups. And I also taped down the tab with more of that washi, which I just cut the washi in half and used 2 strips for that. Then on the back here, I do have some Planner Girl pics, which are really, really cute. And again, I have those quotes on here. This one I messed up a little bit, but then it was kind of like forewarning for the rest of them when you slide them in to like not like drag it on the like plastic part. But this is just a bunch of different pictures I took with different people. There's so many pictures that I was gonna do like multiple, but then I got like tired, so I just put them on each of them is a square and then plopped them in. So there's like Kiki, and then there's Candace Jess, and there's Mandy and Lauren and Amanda and Jasenia and Ale and Connie. We got so many. Maria, Jennifer, all of them. So many cute people. Love it. And then I did do this little group picture here. I thought it was really cute. That's way darker than it is. And then again, I just cut those on acetate because I was feeling lazy, but I don't think it looks terrible, especially in person. But this one says Planner Royalty, and these are both from Jasenia. I thought this was really funny. And this one is Planner Girls Are the Prettiest, which I thought was really cute because there's a bunch of planner girls here. It's super cute. Then in here, I do have the little wagon, another tab with the little foiled sticker on it. A lot of people are asking if there's 2 sheets of these so that you can put them on the front and the back, and there's actually already like 2 sets on here. But I don't put them on the back, but I put them on there just in case you do. Or just so then you can have extra and lots of them. So if you ever need them, I'm actually going to save this and maybe use it for different setups depending in the future. So I've got the insert, I have the vellum, and then here I did some more pictures, and I did a gold foiled, but not gold foiled, a gold metal bow, and then this is a picture of obviously Jessica, Kirsten, and me. And then I did do some pictures with my faves. We have Marg, Irene, and Cynthia, and I just thought this turned out so cute. We got the Texas flag here, we got our signature pose, and then me and Marg, who literally fave ever. Then there is some more of that foiled acetate, the little bow, and then again the washi sticker and tab. And then in here we have a pocket. So this is the pocket that came with the kit. This is the good one. I sent the bad one too, but I just used the good one because I was only going to use one. I have these lists that I made a while ago, and then I just threw this in here because I didn't know where else to put it. It's another one of my hand-lettered Jasenia names, so I just stuck it in there and figured you can kind of read it through this in person. And then on the other side, I do have a foiled journaling card. This actually came with the mystery kit version of this set, so I just went ahead and popped that in as well. Put the little Polaroid picture of the barn on there. And then on the back, I just did one of the little journaling cards, the doily. This came with the SPC Planner Party swag, but you can get them on Amazon if you look up like gold doily. I think you could get a pack of like 100 for like $10 or something, but they're so cute. And then I did just the girl here, and then on the back I do have the pen that came in the kit, a little gold paper clip. I think this is a Kate Spade one. I have the sticky notes here, which I thought was really, really cute. If you didn't want the Scribble Prints Co, you could obviously like crop that, or you could just remove these all together and stick them on something else. But I just thought it looked cute, and I mean, Scribble Prints Co, that's me, so it works out. Then there's another piece of paper, one of the backings, again, just to give it a little bit of dimension, and then I just slipped the tree in there. But overall, like, how dang cute did this turn out? I just think, like, slowly getting better at the setups maybe, but I just think it looks so cute. It's like filled out. I love like the little front area. I just think it's so cute. And me, I love the like reds, orange, yellows, purples, and golds together. I'm like living for it. And even the blue, like I'm really a big fan of like the blue too. So hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys are waiting for a plan with me, I'm probably going to have one up on Tuesday. I went ahead and pushed it just because I have a lot going on, but I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek of that. Oh, and then don't forget, if you guys want this, I'll leave more information in the down below area. Oh, I'm going to show you guys what I didn't use and explain why I didn't use it. Okay, so I really wanted to pull in the gold, like I said, so I didn't use this bow, but I'm actually going to save this because I think it might look cute with my Halloween setup too that I have in mind. But that's what I'm trying to do with the bows, is kind of keep them more, or like things like that aren't like paper products, is kind of keep them a little bit more simple so you could pull them in to other like kits, if that makes sense. Then the die cuts that I didn't use, I just didn't have room for them, but I'm definitely going to save these. I've been trying to pull these into my, what am I thinking of? My little, you guys don't know what I'm talking about, my little journal thing. So I didn't use those die cuts. I only used 4 of those because I only have 4 tabs, so I'm definitely going to save these because they're just gold. I didn't use these 2, but again, I'm going to save those. I might actually try and pull these in to the spread that I do for this kit, so I'm going to put those in an extra special place. Then I'm going to, and I keep all of my stuff together, like if there's a fall kit, I keep it all together, like so I could save it, but these I'm going to just put in my regular planner stuff. Then I just didn't use any of these journaling cards. I was just more in a picture mood. I didn't use this backing card or this backing card, just again because I didn't have space for it. And then I also have the bad pocket, which I'm going to put in there. And then also these just 2 pieces of paper. So I do save these. And then whenever I take all of my setup out, I like paper clip. I usually try to sandwich all of the acetate on the outside and vellum, and then I paper clip it, and then I put it inside. Actually, I don't know where it went. I put it inside like a little pouch from Foxy Fix, so I have everything together. And then if I need to go back, I'm like, oh, because sometimes I'll like want like an orange or yellow bow or something, or just I'll be like, oh, I know that set had some extra papers that I'm looking for, or whatever maybe, and then I'll go ahead and pull it out. So that's kind of like how I store things. I know my friend Amanda, she actually got little photo album boxes to store all of her old setups in, which is a cute idea as well. Or you could even do something like this, do like a binder, and then in each sleeve have your old setup, which I think is another good idea. So let me actually show you guys just a sneak peek of like how much I haven't planned. And today is the 29th, so it's like 2 weeks. This is not done, and then I'm gonna start this. Oh, that's even worse. I'm all the way over here. Like tomorrow will be whenever you're seeing this, it's gonna be the 30th, and I'm like I didn't. It's bad. I have notes for everything, but that's what moving in a planner party will do to you. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you're going to be picking up this kit and how excited you are, because I am so pumped. I am so pumped. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.